Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by setting your base. Feet shoulder width, knees soft, weight on the balls of your feet so you stay springy. Begin the two-step. Step side on count 1, step back on 2, return on 3, reset on 4. This creates the rhythm. Once done, add a relaxed arm pattern to help balance and frame your movement. Make sure to keep your chest centered and breathe. That stability lets your hips isolate and your timing lock in with the beat. Now you deepen the groove by isolating hips and torso. On counts 2 and 4, push the hips slightly and let the upper body counterbalance, which creates the signature bounce. Once you feel steady, introduce syncopation. Delay a step by an eighth note to make the pattern feel more conversational with the music. Make sure to practice in 8-count phrases and vary tempo from slow to faster drills. That builds control. Keep your eyes up. To finish, layer accents and styling, small chest pops, hand flicks, or a hat tip to sell the move. These details cue the listener and mask tiny timing slips. Once done, record a practice take and review it for weight shifts or rushed feet so you can correct specific issues. If things go wrong, slow the music and isolate the problematic element, repeating it for 16 counts until it clicks. Make sure to keep consistency in your foot placement and breathing. That clarity fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.